M2 Technologies is a process and manufacturing consulting firm. Our vision is to bring technology from companies such as Autodesk and Panzora to meet today's problems while also keeping an eye out towards tomorrow's possibilities.
So at M2, our vision is really to help the manufacturing industry transform the way they operate to produce more products in a fast manner without sacrificing efficiencies and quality along the way.
We are at the precipice of unprecedented change that humankind has never seen.
The industry is booming. Why it's important is that our customers are having demands placed on them unlike ever before. But in today's world, you can actually meet demands without sacrificing quality, without sacrificing efficiency. The way things run today, the technologies that are available, the processes that can be made, really can make a big difference in very big ways.
Success with M2 really for me is measured upon our repeat business from our customers. We have long-standing relationships with clients like Oldcastle and Raytheon and BAE. That's how I really measure our success, is by partnering with those companies year after year to continue to help them be successful.
Through more than 20 years of experience that the M2 team has, both in software sales and consulting, our relationships with world-class software vendors like Autodesk, our partnership with Microdesk, we really do have the complete solution to change the built world, as over the next 20 or 30 years we're going to see continued boom in buildings going up across the nation and across the world.
It's really about taking what we can get accomplished today, optimizing processes today, but also keeping an eye on the future, really understanding where technology is heading, in partnership with our clients, understanding where they're trying to go and create a roadmap that creates sustainable success.